Here we are with Justin and Tom Hairabedian on his birthday, age 87. It is March 31st, and we've got a helicopter ride. We've got a copter coming in right now. We're over here at the Executive Airport in downtown Kansas City. Pre-trip inspection coming in. Here's one coming in to land on the pad. Kind of loud here. There we go. A perfect touch landing. Back to Tom on his 87th birthday. Dad, anything you'd like to say?
I'm pretty excited. I just watched that helicopter land and we got to do all the same things. He's checking out the plane now. He's checking out the rotor. And you have to do a check just like we do the fixed wing aircraft. But they got a lot more to do. There's so much machinery on these things. Okay, well, we'll see what happens. We'll be up about 20 minutes.
Let's look in the cockpit. Oh yeah, there we go.